The Atelier Two is a single-story home with approximately 2,275 square feet. This has an award-winning design. It's part of the Cottage Collection. The Cottage Collection has 6 floor plans currently. Right now, as of July 10th, all of the Cottage Collection floor plans available are in the 55 plus area where Long Table HOA is located. Now really quick, before we start this tour, I want to let you know about my Cotino Resource Hub. The library is growing weekly, often daily. So if you want to become a Cotino expert like me, use the link in the description box below. HOA is located, but there should be all ages cottage floor plans on the way. The entry doesn't drop you straight into the main living area. There's a little bit of separation, which makes the home feel more intentional. There is a separate powder room, which is really useful when entertaining. Near the front of the home is bedroom number 2, which works really well as a guest suite. This bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom, so guests have privacy and don't need to share the main living spaces. The included bathroom features from Shay's Cottage and Grand Collection. Mentioned quartz countertops, Kohler under-mount sinks, soft close cabinetry, and polished edge mirrors. The garage is positioned at the front of the home, keeping the main living areas quieter and more private. The included features mention an installed garage door with smart home connectivity through LiftMaster, plus a 50 amp car charging outlet. And now the home really starts to open up. An adjacent, easy access, tucked away laundry. The layout transitions into a large, open concept living area with the kitchen, dining area, and great room all connected. This is the heart of the home. The plan is designed for easy, everyday living, but also works well when entertaining. There are no stairs, no chopped up rooms, and the sight lines are clean from the kitchen through the great room and out towards the covered outdoor living area. As we continue forward, we come to one of the most practical parts of this floor plan, the flex space. This room can be used in several different ways: office, media room, hobby room, workout space, or even a guest overflow area. The kitchen is one of the standout areas of the Atelier Two. It has a large island which gives you prep space, seating, and a natural gathering point. The plan also shows a walk-in pantry positioned right off the kitchen, which is very convenient. This island is designed to feel open and social. You can be cooking while still interacting with people in the dining area, great room, or outdoor living spaces. The home connects to a large, covered outdoor living space. This is a major lifestyle feature, especially here in the desert. The covered patio gives you shaded outdoor space that can function like an extension of the great room. The floor plan shows this outdoor living area at approximately 19 by 32 feet. So it's not just a small patio, it's a real outdoor room. Depending on the home site and orientation, the back patio could become one of the most important spaces in the home. One of the big design ideas here is indoor-outdoor living. The kitchen, dining, and great room all relate directly in the covered patio. The plan also shows optional sliding glass doors in a couple of locations, which could make the connection even stronger. In a desert community like Cotino, having shaded outdoor space is a major part of the lifestyle. This is the type of floor plan where the outdoor living area doesn't feel like an afterthought. It feels integrated into the home. The primary bedroom is positioned away from the street and away from the secondary bedroom. There is also an optional sliding glass door shown off the primary suite, which could create direct access to the outdoor living area. That would be a nice upgrade for someone who wants a true resort-style bedroom experience. The primary suite includes a walk-in closet directly connected to the bathroom area. This is a practical setup because it keeps the dressing area connected to the bathroom and separated from the main bedroom space. For a downsizing buyer, closet functionality matters a lot, and this plan gives you a dedicated walk-in closet rather than relying on standard reach-in storage. It's not just about square footage, it's about how the storage is placed. And that's going to wrap up this Cotino model home tour walkthrough. If you are enjoying my videos and online resources, please do not be shy. Reach out and text me, call me, let's talk Cotino.